Here they all go. All go back into the hotel. Gonna set the alarm off. All the refugees. Not a woman or a child amongst them. All are fighting out. Could have stayed in their country and fought for it, but didn't.
300 men. There's no women, there's no kids, but these are all refugees, but they're all grown men in their 20s, 30s, all men. And they all got here, and now they live here on the taxpayers' money. And they all look like they're living good life. None of them look hungry. They all got brand new clothes on. This country's finished.